Illustration 25 भव्य, दीप और वेदांग। Bhavya Deep are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 5:3. So their old ratio is 5:3. Total is 8. Balance sheet of their firm as on 31st 2017 was as under. Balance sheet, liabilities are given, assets are given here. After then, some of the adjustments are given. We will read them later. Start with assets. Bank
40,000.
write down bank in the asset side, bank, and the balance is written in the cash or bank account to balance brought forward. Forward. How much is given? 40,000 is given there, so write down 40,000. And then debtors are given. Debtors are written asset side. Debtors, how much? 60,000, and leave 3 to 4 lines. After then stock 40,000, leave 1 line for the adjustment. And then building 3 lakhs. After the investment 70,000. Now what? Liabilities side. First is provident fund. Provident fund PF 20,000 is given, so write down 20,000. After then creditors, write down creditors, leave 1 line, 80,000. Then workman accident reserve, so it is compensation reserve. So by workman compensation reserve 40,000 write down in bracket here for the adjustment purpose. Now capital is directly written here because we have not created here capital account. So Bhavya, Deep, and the new partner will be Vedang. 1,30,000. Okay, leave space for the Vedang new partner capital. Then current account by balance brought forward 80,000 and 60,000 is given, so write down 80,000 and 60,000. Done. Now go for the adjustments. First of all, Vedang will bring his personal furniture rupees 50,000 in form. Vedang personal furniture. Personal furniture, it means any partner takes or brings any personal thing in the business, that is called capital. So 50,000 is written here as for furniture as capital. Okay, so write down furniture here. It is assets for the firm, so it will be written here 50,000 and in capital of Vedang. After then creditors include 40,000 payable to Vedang. Creditors are to be paid by Vedang. So Vedang, how much? 40,000 will be paid off. 40,000 will be remaining, and this 40,000 are called capital. What? In the form of creditors. Capital in the form of creditors and furniture. So it will make 90,000 total as capital, okay, of Vedang. Vedang has not brought his capital in cash, but it has brought capital in the form of furniture and creditors. So furniture will be written in the asset side and creditors are to be paid off, so it will be written here 80,000 minus 40,000 and then 40,000 remaining balance. Now Vedang will share 1/5 in future profit. We'll do it later. Vedang will bring 30,000 cash as goodwill. It is goodwill, and goodwill of the firm is valued at rupees 2 lakhs. गुडविल का जो भी एक साथ में करेंगे बाद में। चलो नेक्स्ट 6 नंबर, credit purchase of which 10,000 was not recorded in the creditor's account and purchase account, but it is included in the closing stock. Credit purchase is to be added in the creditors. Not recorded credit purchase, unrecorded credit purchase, it should be added to what? Creditors. Creditors are 40,000 and the unrecorded credit was 10,000. So write down 10,000. Total will be 50,000 and the second factor will be this side, unrecorded purchase. Credit purchase. How much? 10,000 only. Market value of stock is 30,000 of rupees 30,000 is 24,000. It means the value of 30,000 stock is 24,000. Means the less amount is 30,000 minus 24,000. Less amount is 6,000. That is called decrease in stock. Okay, decrease in stock is 6,000. 34,000 will be written there. The value of 30,000 stock is now 24,000, that is the decrease, and it should be recorded here. The second fact of this transaction will be here, stock. How much? 6,000. Liability for workman compensation is 24,000. Workman compensation claim or liability. How much is 24,000? It should be recorded here 24,000. Deduct from the reserve 40 minus 24, it will be 16,000, and 10,000 is 6,000. 16,000 will be distributed in 5:3 ratio, so 10,000 and 6,000. Outstanding interest on investment is 16,000 unrecorded. Outstanding interest on investment, it is income. Outstanding interest on investment. How much? 6,000 is there, 16,000 is there, so it will be recorded here 16,000, and the second factor is credit side. Interest, income, outstanding income, that is called interest on investment, is called outstanding income.
Credit.
16,000. Okay, now calculations. Okay, Bhavya, Deep, Vedang, total, old, new. Okay, old share is 5:3, Vedang dash 8. New share of Vedang is given only 1/5. No information is given about the B and D, Bhavi and Deep. Now, total goodwill of the firm.
2 lakh.
Total goodwill of the firm
2 lakh.
2 lakhs. Okay, now goodwill of Vedang 2 lakhs into 1 by 5. How much it will be? 40,000, I think so. Vedang's goodwill is 40,000 in all. Out of this, brought in cash goodwill 30,000,
10,000.
and the remaining 10,000, that is value revalued. Okay, so this 10,000, 30,000 will be distributed in 5:3 because no information is given about the sacrifice ratio. So old ratio will becomes the new sacrifice ratio. So 5:3.
6250.
18,750 and 11,250. Okay, and this 10,000 will be distributed 6 and 4. Sorry. 6250
6
and 3750. Okay. Now what? Entry for this cash. So entry for cash will be by premium for goodwill account. By premium for
goodwill.
goodwill. How much?
18
18 cent 50 and 11 to 50.
18 50 and 11 to 50.
Here is credit. It will be debited to cash or bank account to premium
For goodwill.
for goodwill.
30.
30,000 in all. And the remaining by Vedang account. Okay, Vedang's current account. How much? 6250 and 3750. Here is the credit. It will be debited to Vedang's account 6250 and 3750. To what? To B's current account. And to D's current account. Okay. Now make total 16,000 both side. So that is equal both side. No profit, no loss. Now V's total. The difference 10,000. The difference will be credit side by balance carried forward. Then 81,000 1,15,000
1,15,000.
So the difference will be 1,15,000 and 81,000 this side. To what? To balance carried forward. Current accounts. So current account to what? B and D. 1,15,000 and 81,000. This side 70,000 total. Make total of this also 70,000. Difference will be 70,000 by balance carried forward. Bank 70,000. No transaction is 60,000. Outside no transaction. Outside no transaction. Outside. Make total of this side. Now make total both side. $6,10,000 this side, and check this side also.
Six lakhs.
6 lakhs.
6 lakhs. Current account of Vedang is 10,000.
10,000 current account of Vedang 10,000. So it will be total.
6 lakh 10.
It was remaining the balance of current account. We have written here, but it was remaining. So current account Vedang 10,000 and total will be equal both side.